Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMT tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be talking about how to register, mine and navigate through the Time Farm Telegram mining app. However, before we get started in today's video, if you find our video tutorial helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat used on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address will be on the description below this video. So let's get started. Time Farm Telegram mining allows you to mine cryptocurrency by giving you access to tap and farm through the Telegram platform, which is a cloud mining. And this cloud mining gives you the opportunity to mine without purchasing or maintaining any mining equipment. But it is important for you to research and know how reputable this cloud mining provider is. But for Time Farm, they have good partnership backing and funds. So I believe this mining will be gainful, and we need to earn enough token for the launch. So let's get started on the Time Farm app. This Time Farm will be getting the referral link, then it's going to refer us directly into the Telegram account. Okay, here you go. You click on the open app and it takes you into the cloud mining provider. Here it is. I've already made little research and I found out that this is meaningful. This mining is meaningful. So I've started mining. So to get started, you claim or start mining. You claim on it and it adds up to the existing token. Then you start a new farm era. You have to be claiming this every 4 hours. So you claim 4 hourly. Then the next thing we need to do is to go to the tax. These are activities set aside for you to do to earn more coin. So you can complete this task and receive instant reward accumulated to your token. So you have to follow the CEO, to follow Time Farm. These are just activities to do on social media to get you more earnings. So afterwards, you go to friends. You can refer friends. Referring friends gives you an additional referral bonus. It gives you 10% or for your referral and 5% for referrals referral. So it's important for you to mine, claim error, and refer. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question concerning this video or better way to navigate through, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. Do well to like our page, subscribe, and turn on your post notification for more educative content. Thank you for watching and see you in a moment.